This is a drone I'm very intrigued by. It's called the Sky Rover S1, and this is the bundle that it comes in. A very interesting, sleek looking drone here. Can't wait to see what the build quality is like on this and what comes inside the box. So I'll just awkwardly move that out of the shot. There we go. And so we've got the little release tab. And, oh, very interesting. Okay. So a camo blue patterned bag. Okay, was not expecting that at all. Let's have a little look inside. Okay, that is super interesting. What an interesting design choice. Okay, so this is what we've got here. A blue camo metallic shiny bag. Again, okay, I'm stuck on that. It's a very interesting design choice. Alright, so now as we open it up, let's have a look at the drone first things first. There's obviously all the accessories and all the other goodies as always. Let's have a look at the drone. Very, very curious about the build quality. That's something I am quite curious to see. Oh wow. Yeah, that is sleek looking. Love the little eye pads almost. Like you got it looks like a hero, doesn't it? Like some sort of character. Very cool. Okay, so that's the design. Feels very premium so far. This is how it all folds out. Let's have a look at the blueprint, the footprint of it. A bit longer than I was actually expecting. Quite a long drone. Quite interesting. On the base, USB-C, micro SD. This is the battery. Looks nice and sturdy, quite lightweight. And then this is the gimbal cover to protect that 4K camera there. This feels very premium. I love the white design actually, it's quite unique. So that's the drone. Let's have a look at the controller now. Okay, it matches that same aesthetic. Oh, that's very nice. Just a clean little white paint job on it. USB-C. Love how it just matches up. Again, you don't really see too many drones with just such a bright white color palette. Record button, scroll wheel to adjust the camera. We've got the little thumbsticks here. Feels really nice. Really, really nice. Cine mode, normal, and sports. Power button, there's a bunch of different functionality there. That comes up and feels very premium. Really like the design of this. Okay, so that's the controller. Fits nicely into the build of all of this. And then we've got the charging hub now. Here we go. So this is the combo where you get the multiple batteries. So we get 3 batteries. Simple little design. Interesting these little windows here because it doesn't actually display anything. But anyway, we've obviously got the little power button here, USB-C, and then the little battery indicators here. So I have to charge up all of these. So that's that. And then if we have a look up here, this is where we get all the different accessories. So it comes with USB-C to USB-C, propellers, other cables, screwdriver, and obviously a quick start guide and a few other things in there. So quite a nice combo, really. It's got everything you need. We'll just fold that down so we can see. That's the bag, obviously, that I'm very surprised by. It's quite a bold color choice to offset this white color palette here. I don't know how that works, but maybe it does. There we go. So that's the combo. If you were to get this drone, that's what you would get, but these are obviously the main pieces of the puzzle. So that's the drone. There's the charging hub and the controller. We just kind of move that into frame a little bit. So that's what you can expect from this combo. It is a nice combo indeed. Can't wait to actually see how this performs, but it's built really, really nice. Everything feels premium here. And yeah, that's what you can expect.